In this quick guide, I'll show you how to delete or uninstall any app or games from your Amazon Fire TV, and also how to remove the apps that can't be uninstalled. To delete an app from your Fire TV, first we will need to find the app from the home screen. But in case the app isn't in the home screen's app row, then you can just press on this apps icon, and then it will show all the apps and games that's currently installed on your Fire TV. Now just highlight the app that you want to delete, then press the option or menu button. This will open a list of options at the right, and you'll need to select uninstall, confirm it again from the pop-up, and you'll see the app will vanish. This way you can remove any app or game that you have downloaded. But in case you don't see the uninstall option for some apps, it's because the apps came preloaded and they're stored into your Amazon TV's internal storage. But even though you won't be able to uninstall these apps, you can still select hide from your apps, and then they will no longer appear in your site. And if you want to get back these hidden apps, then just open the app library, open options again, and select show on your apps. So that's how you can remove or uninstall any app from your Amazon Fire TV. If you found this helpful, you can support us by dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.